Bad lighting can ruin a perfect shot before you even line it up. Today I'm revealing the best pool table lights that eliminate shadows, sharpen visibility, and transform your game room instantly. Welcome to my channel. I've handpicked the top options. Check the links in the description and light up your table right. The number 5 product on our list is Mirrea Pool Table Light. A poorly lit pool table can ruin a perfect shot before the cue even strikes the ball. Lighting is not decoration here, it is precision. This elongated pendant fixture stretches nearly 59 inches across, designed to cast balanced, focused illumination over a standard 7 to 8 foot table. The difference is immediate. Shadows disappear. Colors on the felt appear richer. Your aim feels steadier because the entire surface is evenly lit. Built with a convenient on and off pull chain integrated into the bar, it keeps control simple and within reach during intense games. The adjustable 37.4-inch chain allows you to fine-tune the hanging height, creating the ideal distance between light and table for glare-free clarity. It requires 3 E26 bulbs up to 60 watts each, giving you flexibility to choose brightness that matches your room atmosphere. Installation is straightforward, making it accessible even for homeowners upgrading their game room for the first time. Many buyers struggle before choosing overhead billiard lighting because uneven brightness or harsh glare can distract players and flatten the room's style. This fixture addresses both concerns with a wide frame and thoughtful distribution. Compared with single shade or smaller pendant options that create hotspots, this longer bar style spreads light more consistently, though it does require adequate ceiling space. It suits serious players, home entertainers, and anyone building a refined game room environment. Turn it on, line up your shot, and watch the table transform into a stage where every detail stands sharp and ready. At number 4 is LuoliiTa Pool Table Light. A great pool shot begins long before the cue moves. It starts with the light above the table. This striking antler-inspired pendant instantly changes the atmosphere of a game room. 3 sculpted shades stretch across the table, casting soft, even illumination that minimizes shadows and keeps every ball clearly visible. The inner white sprayed frame diffuses the glow, creating a balanced brightness that feels comfortable during long matches instead of harsh or glaring. Built from thickened metal, the structure feels solid and durable, designed to hold its shape while adding character to the room. The E26 ceramic lamp holders support incandescent energy-saving or LED bulbs, giving flexibility in brightness and tone. Measuring 37 by 11.2 by 10.7 inches with an adjustable 35.4-inch chain, it fits comfortably over 7 to 8 foot tables and adapts to both flat and sloped ceilings. Many buyers struggle before choosing billiard lighting because uneven beams or narrow fixtures create distracting dark spots. This triple shade layout addresses that concern with broader coverage and visual harmony. Compared with minimalist linear bar lights, this design leans more decorative and rustic, which may not suit ultra-modern spaces but adds warmth and personality to traditional game rooms, bars, or cafes. Installation hardware is included, though professional setup is recommended for safety. It suits homeowners who want both performance and style in their gaming space. Switch it on, step back, and watch your table glow with clarity that turns every match into a memorable moment. The third one on our list is Rossesay Pool Table Light. A single shadow across the felt can throw off your entire game, and most players do not realize the problem is hanging right above them. This metal-framed pool table light transforms that frustration into clarity. Crafted from durable metal with a refined black finish, it brings both strength and visual depth to your gaming space. The multicolor billiard ball glass shades add personality without overwhelming the room, blending effortlessly into modern or retro interiors. Light spreads evenly across a standard 7 to 8 foot table, reducing dark corners and eliminating distracting glare. That balanced dispersion is what serious players look for when comparing overhead billiard lighting options. The adjustable chain allows you to fine-tune the hanging height, creating the perfect distance between fixture and table surface. Compatible with E26 bulbs, it offers flexibility to choose warm or bright tones depending on your atmosphere, though bulbs must be purchased separately. Many buyers struggle with lights that look stylish but fail to cover the full table. This design focuses on both aesthetics and function, ensuring consistent illumination from rail to rail. Compared with minimalist linear bar fixtures, this option leans more decorative with its themed shades, which may not suit ultra-sleek spaces but adds character to bars, clubs, or home game rooms. Installation is straightforward, making it accessible for most setups. It suits homeowners and entertainment spaces that want a blend of performance and personality. Turn it on, line up your shot, and let the table glow with a presence that feels deliberate and inviting. On number 2 is Mcacggo Pool Table Light. A great pool game deserves lighting that respects every angle and every spin. Too often, players blame their aim when the real culprit is uneven overhead glare. This 3-light metal fixture changes that instantly. Finished in matte black with vibrant billiard ball accents, it adds character while maintaining a refined industrial presence. The interior white shade reflects and amplifies brightness, spreading light evenly across a standard 7 to 8 foot table so shadows no longer creep into the corners. That balanced coverage is exactly what serious players look for when comparing overhead billiard lighting options. Measuring: just over 38 inches long and equipped with 2 adjustable 39.76-inch chains, it adapts smoothly to different ceiling heights, allowing you to position it perfectly above the felt. It supports standard E26 bulbs, giving you flexibility to choose warm or bright tones based on your room's mood, though bulbs must be purchased separately. Many buyers hesitate because decorative fixtures often sacrifice performance. Here, the sturdy metal build resists rust and corrosion while maintaining strong illumination for consistent gameplay. Compared with simpler linear bar lights that focus purely on function, this design adds a lively aesthetic touch, though it may feel bold in ultra-minimalist spaces. Installation hardware is included for straightforward setup. It suits home game rooms, bars, and clubs that want both dependable lighting and visual personality. Switch it on, step back, and watch the table transform into a stage where every shot feels deliberate and every detail stands out clearly. Now moving to the last one is Wellmet Pool Table Light. The difference between a casual game and a focused match often comes down to what hangs above the table. Poor lighting creates glare, uneven shadows, and second guesses. This 3-light metal fixture changes that atmosphere the moment it is installed. Stretching over 59 inches in length, it is proportioned perfectly for 7 to 8 foot tables, delivering balanced coverage from rail to rail. The premium metal frame resists rust and corrosion, while decorative billiard balls add personality without overpowering the space. Inside each wide shade, light spreads smoothly across the felt, reducing harsh contrast and helping every ball stand out clearly. That consistency is what serious players seek when comparing overhead billiard lighting options. The adjustable 35.4-inch chain allows you to fine-tune the hanging height, creating a comfortable visual zone that feels natural during long sessions. It supports 3 E26 bulbs, giving you freedom to select brightness that matches your room's mood, though bulbs are not included. Many buyers struggle with fixtures that look stylish but fail to illuminate evenly. This model balances aesthetics and function well, though full assembly requires time and effort. Compared with minimalist bar-style fixtures that focus purely on clean lines, this design leans decorative, making it ideal for game rooms, bars, restaurants, and even dining spaces that want character. It suits homeowners who want dependable brightness with a touch of charm. Switch it on, take your stance, and feel the table come alive beneath a glow built for serious play. So guys, this was the video about the best pool table lights. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.